Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. Now for this you can go to Windows Windows settings and then go to update and security. Go to troubleshoot option. Over here you can see additional troubleshooter. Click on it and then click on Windows update. Click on run the troubleshooter and let the troubleshoot complete. Once the troubleshoot is complete, you can restart your computer, and after the system restart you can update your Windows 10. Still not working, you can run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. And then copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the end. This will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it in the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can update. Still not working, you can pause and restart the update. So go to Windows settings, go to update and security. Now over here you can see pause. In my case, I'm receiving this error, just ignore it. You will see pause option. You can hit pause and then you will see resume updates. Now you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, automatic. Apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. And then make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Again set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now once done, you can, if you see retry option, try to install the update once again. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in the browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB509, KB509, and then it's 9539, and then click on search. Now check your Windows version. Type in WINVER in Windows search box. Click on WINVER and then click on WinVer run command. In my case, it's version 22H2. And then open Windows settings, go to system, and then scroll down, go to about option, check your system type. For me, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 10 version Windows 10 version 22H2 x64. This is the right one for me. Select the right version and then click on download. And on this screen, click on KB5099539. Let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, and then restart your PC and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Click on update now. Run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. If you see update or install option, you can install it. If that does not work, you can use media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file, and then click on accept over here. By default, upgrade this PC now be selected. Click on next, and then let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on accept over here, and over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install the update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.